Welcome to Study Loop.
We know air is invisible, and when we say invisible, it's simply, and so when it's not scattering light or reflecting light back to the human eye, we can't see it. So air is invisible. However, when temperature inversion occurs, hotter air from above comes in contact with cooler air below. And what happens is that, of course, the hotter air cools significantly. We can say air droplets, or rather, water droplets of all sizes may be formed that interact with sunlight, scattering a range or a very large range of frequencies or wavelengths. And when, of course, fog, very low-hanging cloud, so we can say this creates fog or low altitude clouds. And of course, so uh, air, it's visible. The act of temperature inversion, because as the hot air from above comes in contact with the cool air below, essentially a lot of that hot air is going to lose thermal energy to the cool air below it, and then again water droplets, because then and a lot of different sizes, of course, would be created that would be scattering all different types of wavelengths or frequencies, and what you see is a very low hanging cloud or perhaps some fog, and it'll actually lower. When I say visibility, I mean it'll lower your visibility of how far you can see away. So how far you can see in front of you. So that's how we can see temperature inversion. And usually this occurs in valleys, because you can see, if you ever went to like a large valley with like very high and low peaks, you can see that temperature inversion occurring, because there's going to be a lot of fog or a lot of low-hanging clouds. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for